what I'm saying? Hold on, let me zoom out a little bit. Look at that. Complete. Look at all them units. Huh? Check me out, Captain. I mean, not check me out. Cash me out, Captain. Look at that. Scrap, where you at, Scrap? You ain't post yet. Huh? I know you on top of them buildings somewhere in Jersey. Huh? Look, I'm like Santa Claus up here. You know what I mean? Look at that. Look at that. I mean, it's a full-time job. I'm in West Virginia right now. Look at that sun beaming. It's pretty out here. It ain't cold. God is good. Huh? It's nice. I'm done. I think I might be done for the day. I didn't knock 7 off. I might could do 8 depending on how I feel. You know what I'm saying? I might could do 8. I ain't bragging, but I done did Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Bob Evans, Dollar Generals. I got a full pack today. I think I might call it though. I think I might call it. Yeah, I think I might.